Hey guys, I'm back after several days for another video. We have been busy decorating the house for Christmas, and that took several days. So I'm finally back in the studio with another video. I found these at Michael's. They were on sale at 40% off. They're for card making. This is what this looks like. This is opened, and I took one and opened it all the way up because I thought these would be really cute to decorate. And you can put some acetate or vellum or something like that in the window and then put it back together. And in essence, you have a pocket here. You'll have a pocket here. And if you don't glue it all the way down to your journal page, you have a third place to put a pocket or a tuck, depending on how you glue it down. So I'm going to take some leftover scraps from the Christmas journal that I've been working on, and I'm going to collage this. So I'm going to turn on some music and let you watch me do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, once this glue is dry, is to sew around the window and around the edge here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a a pull there or not. I might, but I'll have to wait until the glue dries. And then we can stick a tag in. I don't have any ready right now, but just so you can see what that would look like. You'll be able to see the tag through there. And then you'll have another pocket back here. And again, like I said before, depending on how you glue it down, you can glue it down on these 3 sides or just on 2 sides, so you'd have a tuck. However you want to do that. So let me allow this glue to dry, get it stitched, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay, this is dry now, and I sewed around the window and then around the outside of this. And then I have these tags that I cut out of scraps and then backed with some coffee dyed paper, and then added a whale tail tab to the top. And then I have these die cuts. I don't know where they came from. Probably Hobby Lobby, but I've had them so long I can't really remember. So I'm going to decorate these tags. Here's a piece of scrap. And then for the window, I thought I would use this. And then this little street lamp right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and ink those and get them glued down. Okay, let's let these dry and then work on the tags. And I did sew around each of these. All right, I'm going to put a grommet in the top of each of these. All right, so there's our 2 tags. Now we can go ahead and glue this down. The only other thing that I did was add some piece of book page right here on this side so that when you close the pocket up, you don't see the white part of the card. So I'm going to get this glued down. And we need to glue across the bottom here. And I think just these little parts here, and I think we're good to go. And we don't need to cover that up. If you want to use this as a floating pocket, then you would need to cover that up. But this is just going to go down on a page. So let's pretend that this is our journal page. I would glue this down on either 3 sides or just 2 sides. So this tag would go in this pocket. Probably too soon to put that in there. We'll put it in part of the way. And then we have a pocket on the back here. Again, it's probably too soon. Okay, and then this would go down like this, and you'd have another pocket or a tuck space back here to put something. So isn't that pretty? So these, like I said before, came from Michael's. They are part of their Recollections brand cards and envelope. It was a set of 10. And like I said, I got them on sale for 40% off, so I don't remember exactly what I paid for them. They weren't that expensive. But so I'm thinking of doing a video this weekend to walk through some of the items that I have for sale in both my junk journaling Etsy shop and my other Etsy shop, which is more of a primitive farmhouse home decor Etsy shop. And I'm just going to show you some options that I have available for sale in both of those shops in case you're interested in doing some Christmas shopping. And like I said, if I end up doing that, it will probably come out on Sunday. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.